For centuries, India's civilization has flourished along the coasts. From the ancient Chola Empire to the mighty Maratha Navy, our ancestors ruled the seas and dominated maritime routes. However, over time, we drifted away from our rich maritime legacy. Even after independence, India's maritime sector continued to operate under the shadows of the British colonial framework. Until 2014, India lacked a clear vision for its maritime development. Our ports had limited capacity, transportation delays hampered cargo movement, and international trade suffered as a result. India was nowhere close to being recognized among the world's leading maritime nations. Then came a historic transformation under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, who envisioned restoring India's maritime glory. He not only created a dedicated ministry for ports, shipping, and waterways but also launched sweeping reforms in this sector. The progress achieved over the past 11 years has been unprecedented. Earlier, India's total port capacity was 1,561 million tons, which has now increased to 2,762 million tons. Today, 9 Indian ports rank among the top 100 ports in the world. The container turnaround time at Indian ports has been reduced from 48 hours in 2013 to 14 to just 24 hours in 2023 to 24. In the International Shipment Index, India's rank improved from 44th in 2019 to 22nd in 2023, a remarkable leap that reflects the nation's growing maritime strength. Under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, India has broken free from the colonial chains that once constrained its maritime growth. In the recent monsoon session of Parliament, 5 new maritime bills were passed, aligning India's maritime framework with global standards and paving the way for a stronger international presence. With the launch of the Maritime Amrit Kal Vision 2047, India is writing a new chapter in its maritime journey. By the time the nation celebrates 100 years of independence, the goal is for India to become one of the top 5 shipbuilding nations, multiply its port capacity, and emerge as a true maritime power. To realize this vision, projects worth 8,000 crore rupees have been launched. These include a new container terminal at Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata, to boost trade in eastern India, and a modern container terminal at Paradeep Port, aimed at enhancing mineral exports. Strong coastal protection walls are being built in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Chennai, while at Deen Dayal Port, Kandla, multipurpose facilities will further accelerate India's modern maritime development. The inauguration of the Mumbai International Cruise Terminal, the largest in India, will not only boost tourism but also create thousands of new jobs. Initiatives such as the Maritime Development Fund, Shipbuilding Financial Assistance Policy, and Shipbuilding Development Scheme, announced in the Union Budget 2025-26, with an allocation of 70,000 crore rupees, will ensure that India emerges as a global maritime leader. These measures will bring immense benefits: faster trade, improved cargo handling, lower import costs, and enhanced global competitiveness for Indian products. This is not merely about building infrastructure, it is about laying the foundation of a new blue economy. India has always revered the ocean as a divine force and a source of wisdom. Today, with the vision of a developed India by 2047, we are reviving our maritime traditions with renewed pride and purpose. In the coming years, India will not only become a developed nation but also rise as a global maritime power, guiding the world through its strength, heritage, and innovation.